Hey everybody, you caught me working on these Iron Rangers here, but we're not here to talk about Iron Rangers today. Today we got something a little different for you. We did a little collaboration between Brushy Mountain Motorsports with Tyler Mull, and did some dirt biking and picked up a pair of boots. They're Georgia boots, and we're going to do some upgrading to them. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.
Glad I caught you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and give you my boots so you can take them back to the shop and get them fixed for me.
Now? Okay.
Here you go, gentlemen.
All right, man.
Appreciate it.
We'll take care of it for you, I reckon.
I'll be here waiting for the next time you come around.
Hey everybody, Tony Wyatt with Wyatt and Dad Cobbler Company here today. And today we've got something a little bit different, something a little exciting I think you'll enjoy. We're getting questions all the time about converting lower price point boots into higher price point boots. Is it worth it? Well, we're going to take apart a pair of Georgia boots today that are a little bit lower price point. The reason that they're lower price point, they have a good solid leather upper, but they cut some cost into manufacturing with plastic welts and plastic midsoles, and then they stick a sole on there and they do some stitching to try to get it to hold together, and they typically have a paper inner sole. So we're going to take and convert these to a higher price point boot by getting rid of those lower price point issues. We were out on location and ran across a customer in need, so I made some phone calls and we brought in a team to get this job done and knock it out for the customer. So you're going to get to meet some of the other Wyatt and Dad team that you don't always see on the videos. And so I hope you really enjoy what we have in store for you today. Alright, so we've got the boot completely disassembled except for the inner sole. I haven't taken that out yet because I wanted to show you guys how the boot was constructed. You can see they use a foam filler instead of cork. One of the ways that they cut costs to make it a lower price point boot. But they did not cut out the 3-rib steel shank. They do have that in there, which is nice because some companies, when they're cutting the corners, they use a fiberglass or a wooden shank even, which the wooden shank I don't understand because they break really easily. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the paper inner sole. Some people call them fiberboard, others call them paper. When they get wet, it starts pilling up like papers, why I call it paper. What we're getting ready to do now is take this out and replace it with a nice leather inner sole, so it's going to upgrade the boot to be like the higher end boots, because you know, as I mentioned before, the upper leather is a great quality leather, so it's going to level the playing field. So let's get to doing these things. Alright, so the team really pulled this one off. I think they did a great job on this boot. We've upgraded it a lot, gotten away with the plastic welts, gone away from the plastic midsole, the sole, replaced the paper inner sole with a leather inner sole. Tons of upgrades on these, and one of the special things we did about this job just for Tyler was we put orange stitching on the top because he likes to ride KTM. And so I think it's time for us to get back out on the trails, because here at Wyatt and Dad, we not only work hard, but we love to play hard. So let's hit those trails.
Guys, what a relief it is to see you again. These trees are killing me.
We tried not to be too long, man.
I'm gonna put these to good use.
Made them a little beefier, added some things so it'll be more sturdy for the kind of work you're doing out here in them and everything. I think you'll really enjoy that. Your feet will feel a lot better.
Awesome.
Next time, make sure you bring them to the shop.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely.